Hello, it's Andrew here at Life on Pig Row, and it's a very sunny and windy day. So I've kind of retired to the greenhouse because there's some jobs I can be getting on with the greenhouse, getting ready for sowing seed. So we're a little later in sowing seed than the rest of England because we're quite high up. We can get hit by frosts right into May. And with that in mind, a lot of what we're doing is inside at the moment. We're growing it on the windowsill where we can kind of monitor it. But today there's a job that we can all do, and that's keeping care of our staging and all of our wood in our greenhouse, which takes a massive battering during the year. You've got to remember that it's dealing with fluctuations in temperature, but more important than that, it's dealing with getting water on it constantly, and then just being left alone. And the way to keep care of it is teak oil. This cost about £6.99. You probably can get it cheaper. There's more expensive brands on the market. It's up to you which you get. So I'm now going to show you how to treat some staging. So you need a lint-free cloth, a brush, and then all it is a matter of applying. Now you can do this in two ways. You can put it on the cloth as such, and then rub it in, like so. But personally, to make it easier, I prefer doing this. So I get myself a little carton, like so. I put my oil in, and it is thin, it's not like linseed oil. Put that to the side, dip my brush in. Look at that, straight away, you can hear the wood just going, oh yeah. Now normally if you want to do garden furniture, it's always a good idea to get it sanded down beforehand, but not with this. It's just staging, we do treat it brutally, but once a year and you end up with something quite nice. So I'm going to carry on with this now, and I'm going to show you what it looks like at the end. A quick aside, don't forget to make sure wherever you're working is well ventilated. And there you are. One treated staging. Does that look a lot better than it was before? A hell of a lot better. And not just done that, I've also done my stool. Little mission to make, because the wind's getting really high now. I've not done that staging in 10 years. I have treated it mean, and because of that it's absolutely soaked up all the teak oil. I had 500ml of this. I'm lucky if I've got about 50ml left. Yes, I did the stool as well, but I've treated that every year, so it didn't take as much. So it just shows it's important to keep on top of your staging every year. Okay, until next time, it's goodbye from me at Life on Pig Row. Don't forget we're here every Saturday. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because every subscription pushes us forward. Until next time, bye bye.